Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to manually change the date and time on your Mac. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right into it. First, you'll want to click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the System Settings application, look for General in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. Next, click on Date and Time. This will bring you to your date and time settings. Now, here's the key part. If you want to manually change the date and time, you'll need to toggle OFF the Set Time and Date Automatically option. This ensures your Mac doesn't just override your changes using your time zone. Click on the toggle. You'll likely need to verify with Touch ID or enter your password. Once you've done that, click on the Set button just below. Now you can manually select your desired date and time. I'm going to leave mine as is for now. You can also change your current location manually. To do this, toggle OFF Set Time Zone automatically using your current location. After that, you can click on the drop-down menu below and manually set your current location. Just a heads up, if you toggle these options back on, your Mac will automatically revert to using your time zone and location to set the date and time, so it will override your manual settings. So there you have it. That's how to manually change the date and time on your Mac. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.